need some yen, bro, to add to my collection. Koki's cousins just took us. They had a cute little baby. Bro, what were their names? I didn't
Maya.
No. Their names.
Ayani.
Bro told me the baby's name. Like, what? She was the cutest little baby.
Bye.
Bye. Alrighty. And now the trip begins.
Yeah, let's go. Oh.
Alrighty, guys. We have this is our second day in Tokyo. It's weird. We flew the 29th out of Atlanta at 9:30 a.m. all the way in sunlight till we landed here at 3 p.m. on the 30th. And now it's Kogi over here. We're in this narrow room. Give y'all room tour later. Planning for tonight, because tonight is New Year's night.
Yes,
so,
bro.
He keeps getting those.
Always creating.
But yeah, I don't know what the plan is, but we'll just go with the flow. Cora and her mom are here, and Ava and Michael, so a lot of people we know. Ross has a homie here. Zane has his party tonight. We'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed for the homie. And then that's pretty much it. We go to Toyama tomorrow. So this is the I don't know if y'all can see. Try to focus it. Outside of the dojo room. Other style room. This is the narrowest room I've been in a long time.
Bro, shut the fuck up. This is Japan.
Bro, look at this. We only have like 10 feet in this room. It's a 10 by 10. I feel like I'm gonna sell. Nah, it's nice though. It is nice. It's beautiful. Food was great. Yesterday we saw Shoma and a guy. Alrighty, we're live in Tokyo. In a gold elevator because
it's real.
Who doesn't,
It's actually real.
why not ride in style?
Exactly.
Nah, this is pretty cool. We're at the Kotoha Hotel right now. Just until tonight. That's unwarranted. I have no comment on that. No, but tonight will be fun. This is a lobby. It's very peaceful. I don't know what's going on. Speaking Japanese. Wait, why are you? Don't we need the key?
No, like I just put the key here.
For what?
So that I don't lose it.
So how do we get it back if we come late?
What do you mean? I know there's a stuff every day.
Okay.
No,
Oh, this is fire.
oh.
And just like that, we're here. Getting in a taxi.
See for them, right?
Oh,
damn. Oh my god.
That's that.
Did you
It
see
happens, yeah.
Bro, did you see?
He just finessed us for a taxi. But this is kind of beautiful. Alrighty, so basically, Koki, where are we going? Yeah. Where are we going?
Sensoji.
Okay. And how are we
It's like
getting
a
there?
traditional place. You would like it.
I guess you will like it. Food here so far. I say food. I put it at from what I've had, the one meal, 6, 7. Cleanliness, 9. It's not calm. The places I've been in the city, it's like very busy, but we're gonna see a lot more.
Bro, this guy haven't eat real Japanese food.
So
that was like instant, like Japanese sushi, you know?
Ooh,
So
I might want
that's
an
why I
instant
like
slice of
Raven
pizza right here. Oh. I think I just creased the forces, guys.
Sensoji was That's how it works.
Kyoki. Right here.
Hey,
At Sensoji.
made it to Sensoji.
It's pretty nice out here. Nice and bright. We're waiting for Shoma right now. And after we meet up with Shoma, we are gonna, I don't know, what are we gonna do?
We're going to Shibuya and my photographer is coming. So we're gonna take a picture.
Oh, even though I'm a better photographer. Like this. Y'all can't see the camera. I got the going kind of crazy with the But this place is pretty cool. I'll give you guys a quick little look-see again. Like that. That's pretty wild. It's nice and clean out here. The store has actually, Koki, let's go. I'm gonna go do a tour of the store. This is a tour of a Japanese 7-Eleven. So you have this aisle. So you have this aisle with, I don't even know, what is this stuff? Leggings, I guess. The food is just the most like obscure stuff to me. One thing that they have that I do just love, these little rice thingies. Oh my gosh, for like $1 or less. I don't know who created this, but they are genius because these are all great. The drinks are pretty gas too. Yeah, this is pretty dope.
そういうことです。
Yeah, there will be no translations for this, so I hope y'all can pick up what they're saying because I have no clue. This is authentic.
快晴になってくると。
そのうち体透明になってくる。
Alright, could y'all educate me? Translate button.
I can't, bro.
Why not? Why not?
It's like it was in Japanese, bro. No.
Oh, bro, you can't say that. We'll report it, Koki.
No.
Yeah, Koki's getting kicked out of college. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Push you guys up because it's a little crowded around these parts. But adios. Walking around in Sensoji. Pretty busy place out here. I'm trying to focus up. That's Koki, being Koki as usual. I'm being summoned by Koki. So that's the vlog.
上がね。
And Koki's walking right now. Bro, this is fortune telling.
Exactly.
For our future. This is crazy. It is fortune telling. Alright, fortune telling. So you drop in the coin. And then what? The shake? Do I hold this?
What's the result? This one. Take it. Let me see.
Wait.
Jordan's 2024 is gonna be unfortunate, bro.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
That means unfortunate.
I don't believe in it. Yeah.
Fortune.
So I drew a bad one.
Oh, wait. What are you doing, Jordan?
Making my bad fortune go away.
Yeah.
Bye bye, bad fortune. There we go.
Bye.
Now my luck is restored and I gotta come back next year. Koki took us to a rooftop. Alrighty guys, we have made it up to the skyline. That's crazy.
Below.
That's crazy. Everybody say what's up? But yeah, I'm gonna try to get some sleep later and go out, and this will be our New Year's Eve. So adios guys, and I'll keep you updated on how tonight goes.
The Nomiya, right?
What?
The Nomiya, right?
And then
It's 6-something a.m.
Your attention
Happy New
please.
Year's.
The train bound
Going to
for
Toyama.
Ueno and Ikebukuro will soon arrive on track number 3.
This is crazy, guys.
Please stand behind the
Yeah, that's crazy. We made it to Koki's room.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
Koki's
my drums.
hometown. Bro has 2 drum sets and a piano. That's crazy.
Yeah.
The
Whole
Takayuchi
studio
house.
here.
Bro, this is insane.
Yeah.
I can't believe we flew miles
Yeah.
and miles and miles to get here. Whoa.
You guys live here too.
Whoa, bro, this is super Japanese.
Oh, you gotta take a picture with your soul here.
Bro, there's gonna be aftershock. There's gonna be aftershock.
No shit.
Bro,
No shit. Is
Bro.
that first time for you?
like that? Oh my god.
Bro, that's the biggest.
That's the
Bro,
biggest earthquake I've ever felt in my life.
me too.
Oh my god.
Bro, I'm scared. I'm like scared, bro.
bro, me too, bro.
Bro, what?
No shit. What the,
house
fuck?
is moving.
Wait a minute. Did that?
Wait, there's a tsunami. The TV says Yo.
Yeah, I know. Azu. Relax. No shit. It's a.
What the fuck?
Bro, what the fuck?
Bro, send that to me.
Yeah.
The whole Koki, we just had the biggest earthquake I've ever had in my life. In my life, guys, I don't even know like what to do. Like, I'm scared. I'm scared. I want to call like my family or something, bro. Like, everything fell off the walls. This was like pretty scary. The roads are split apart, and there is a warning to evacuate. This day took quite a turn, Koki, didn't it? This is insane. Now, how often has this happened?